friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to unpair ptron smartwatch from vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first, what you need to do is that you have to move on vivo mobile phone setting. After you have been moved on vivo mobile phone setting, here is the bluetooth and devices. Just click on bluetooth and devices. After you have been click on it, you have to turn on this bluetooth. Okay, after you have been turned on, just click on the middle of the bluetooth. After that, here is the ptron watch. Okay, if you want to unpair it, just move on setting. After that, what you need to do is to just click on forget network. Okay, forget device, just click on forget device. After that, here your ptron smartwatch will be disconnected from your vivo mobile phone. You can disconnect it like that. Okay, you just need to click on the forget device. It means it doesn't mean you will be forget forever. You can connect it again. Okay, because there is no disconnect option like audio, just to give the disconnect option and pair option, but here it doesn't give. So just click on forget. It will be disconnected successfully. Okay, it will not harm your mobile phone or your watch. It's normal. Okay, like it's disconnect option only. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye bye.